Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to ban someone from your Facebook page. So firstly, let's go to the Facebook page. Make sure you are on your Facebook page or not your regular Facebook account. Here you can see account, which is top right corner profile icon, this one. Click on this and you'll find here Facebook name, Facebook, your general ID and your Facebook page. Okay, click on the Facebook page and it will switch to your Facebook page from Facebook account from your Facebook page. Okay, after you land this Facebook page, you have to go to this option, which is top left corner, your Facebook page name. Click on this and then you'll find here followers. Click on followers. Now if you want to add someone, you have to just right click from that, you have to click on this three dot which is beside the Facebook name of that person, and then you have to click on block. Now you have to confirm it, and this is how you can ban someone from your Facebook page. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.